The markers in Storyline that you see here are like a layer. They display overlay content like text, image, audio, or video in response to clicking or hovering over the marker. They do have other applications too, but markers are good when you want to call out information from a map or an image or any other thing. In this video, we'll be inserting a marker to add a location and explore formatting options. So to insert a marker, go up to the Insert tab. Over to the right, you see a marker. Select that. There's a drop down and you will see a lot of options. I'm going to select this as the marker style. And now basically when we click on the screen, this is where the marker is going to drop or be placed. How about say right here? Then if you don't want to open right there, we can just click and drag it over here. So let's begin to add some information to this particular marker. Let's say we add a title, a little description, and a picture. So we'll go up to marker over here, right here, and then we select options, select the media drop down, and you have some options here. We're just going to do, say, picture from file. But if you wanted to, you could do video from file, video from website, or you could record your webcam. Let's just keep it simple and use picture from file. Let's select that. So we'll grab a picture. Let's size this in by grabbing that outside handle. Now that looks really good. The formatting options, like most things in Storyline, are almost endless. So you can change the text fonts, different sizes, etc. You can change the marker styles if you go up to format here, just like that pin, but you could choose whatever you want to do. You can change the label styles, you could change the marker options. If you go up to the marker options here, especially important is the animation. So we have a swirl and you can have the pulse. So if you wanted to, you could use any one of those. So you can change the icon. And if you really like the icon, if you spent a little time formatting it, you can right click and set the default marker. So let's preview this by pressing Shift F12. See how this looks? Not bad at all. Hover over it, get a little bit of information, click on it, even more information. So there you have it, how to insert and format a marker in Storyline. Let's go to the next topic, inserting scrolling panels.